In this video, I will show you how you can forward messages on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open the Messages app on your Samsung phone, and from here just open the chat from which you want to forward a message. Now just tap and hold on the message which you want to forward. Now after that, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen, and from this menu, just select Forward. Now on this page, just select the contact to which you want to forward the selected message. Now after that, just tap on Next. Tap on Send. Now after you do that, you will successfully forward a message on your Samsung phone. Now if you're using Samsung Messages instead of Google Messages, now in that case, just open Samsung Messages. And from here, just open the chat from which you want to forward the message. Then tap and hold on the message. And after you do that, now from this pop-up menu, just select Forward. Now similarly, just select the contact to which you want to forward your message. After that, just tap on Done. Now from here, just tap on the send icon, and by doing that, you will forward the message using Samsung Messages. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.